Hello everyone, welcome to the world of software testing. So far we have discussed what is software testing, what are the approaches we use for software testing, why manual testing and why automation testing. So in this lecture let's discuss about why do we need software testing, what are the benefits of software testing, and then we will cover what is software quality. So please do remember all these small questions are very useful to crack the interviews, as we faced most of the issues for such questions during the interviews and we are not able to answer those simple questions and ultimately we lost the job. So do prepare such small questions as well before going for the interviews. So let's discuss about why do we need software testing. So anyone can answer this? Yeah, so let's see. So as we have already discussed in last tutorial, software testing is the process of executing the application with the intent of finding the defects by comparing the output behavior of the application with the expected behavior. That is the requirement. Expected behavior means the requirement. That is the client requirement. So in other words, it's nothing but a comparing the actual behavior of the application with the expected behavior. So expected behavior will be given by the client. So our actual behavior also match with the expected behavior. So this is software testing. So basically software testing is a part of software development process. So the main goal of software testing is to find out the defects and deliver the bug-free application to our clients. So as we know that human makes mistakes all the time. So software testing is really required to point out the defects and errors that were made during the development phases. So we humans can't identify our mistakes in our work done by us. So we should get someone else to check our work because another person may identify the defects done by us. So this cannot be done by ourselves. So that's why we need another person who can identify the mistake done by us. So in the same way, for software developers may not identify the mismatches in the program or application implemented by them. So which can be identified by the another department that is called a testing, and the software testing includes the software test engineers. So that's why we are the one who find out the mistakes or the mismatches done by the developers while developing the application. So software testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software. The objective of testing is to release the quality product to the client. So it is nothing but to ensure like software should be a bug-free application, software should be delivered on time, it should be within budget, it should meet the client requirements and our expectations. So this is the main thing, that client requirements should not get hampered. So that should get met. So software should be maintainable. So let's take some simple examples which you might have faced already in the past. So for example, let's say you are trying to recharge your mobile number and in the application you are unable to buy your required plan as the buy button is not working, or the application is taking so long to recharge your mobile number. So it gets frustrating to the end user who is using the application to recharge their mobile. So another example is while booking the railway tickets, you select from and destination and date. So here if you are unable to see the calendar coming when you try to click on the calendar icon, so again you cannot put the date there. So or once you fill all the details and try to click on next, it's still showing processing or loading, or it will take so long to complete the booking. So again this is very frustrating to the end users. So to avoid this, there should be a software testing in place. So that there will not be any issues in the production. So now let's say you did not test the software before going to the production. So in that case, if the user finds the production issue or the defect in the application, then it becomes very costly if the application is quite sensitive. So for example, if the application is for the banking purpose, then it will be very difficult for the organization to handle that issue because it becomes very costly. So now you might have already understood that what are the benefits of the software testing as well. So let's see those benefits we get out of the software testing. So software testing helps in finalizing the software application against the business requirement. So whatever the business requirements comes from the client, so the software testing helps in finalizing the software application. So software testing makes sure that the testing is being done properly and hence the system is ready for the customer to use. So the customer can only use the application when the software testing is done. Then the next is find out the defects before delivery. So again, find out the defects before it's going to the client production. Then next is the gains the confidence about quality. So definitely if you are doing the software testing, then you must be confident to have the application without defects. Then ensure the requirements are delivered to the client, that is the client satisfaction. So client satisfaction is very important. Then cost saving. So as if the software is bug free, it's saving a lot of money required for redevelopment and retesting. So like again, as I already said, if the application have bugs, then again it costs a lot of money. So definitely the software testing is required to find out the defects before it going through the production. Also to achieve the security. So we must have security software testing in place. As for the bank application, the sensitive application, so security is the topmost priority. So that's why the software testing is beneficial for such applications. To achieve the reliable product. So the software testing increases the reliability of an application by testing the application with the security testing, performance testing, and the other testing techniques. So we'll discuss all these techniques in detail in further videos. So now these are the benefits of software testing. The next is what is software quality. So again, you already might have understood what is software quality as well. So let's discuss about it. The software quality is nothing but delivering a bug-free application, defect-free application, and delivered on time with all the requirements to the client. The quality of software can be defined as ability of software to function as per the user requirement. So whatever the user requirement is there, the software should function as like that. So when it comes to software products, it must satisfy all the functionalities written down in the SRS document. So there will be a SRS document for the complete requirements. So all the functionalities must satisfy. This means that the software quality is nothing but the software should be a bug-free application, right? The software should meet the client requirements and or expectations and to be delivered on time. The software should be a bug-free application. Anyways, 100% bug-free application is practically not possible, but the testing team tries to identify as many as possible bugs in the application by creating the test scenarios. So there will be a different test scenarios, positive scenarios as well as negative scenarios. The test engineer will test on the applications for the different features. The software testing follows the SDLC process to detect the bug. So again, the SDLC process, software testing lifecycle, we are going to discuss in the further videos. So the software quality have some criteria like the software should have good design. So it's always important to have a good and aesthetic design to the users. Software should have consistency. So definitely the software should be able to perform the consistently over the platform and devices. The software should be maintainable. So bugs associated with any software should be able to capture and fix quickly, and new tasks and enhancement must be added without any trouble. So it should be maintainable. The software should be value for money. So customer and companies who make this app should feel that the money spent on this app has not gone to waste. So this is again the most important criteria. The software should be reliable. Be it any software, it should be able to perform the functionality without any issues. The software should be durable. So durability is a confusing term. In this context, durability means the ability of software to work without any issue for a long period of time. So that's why it must be durable as well. So yeah, we have discussed 3 points. That is, why do we need software testing? What are the benefits of software testing? And we have also covered what is software quality. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe World of Software Testing for such more videos.